Hi, welcome to my next cooking show. Today, I'm going to be making some tortilla de patata or Spanish omelette. Okay, so this one is very simple. It actually only has three ingredients. So julienne onions, potatoes, and egg. So if you want to count two more ingredients, that'd be the oil and salt. So five ingredients altogether. Okay, very simple. So first of all, we start out with some julienne onions. Okay, so the way that we cut the potatoes will be 3 millimeters thick, so about 3 or 4 millimeters thick. Okay. 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 So. Okay, so there you go. So quick and easy. Back to the. Alright, so let's head over to the stove and cook this. Okay, so to start making the tortillas or the Spanish omelet, first we heat up some oil, and it has to be a generous amount of oil. First thing that we need to do is to fry the onions. Okay, so onions contain a lot of sugar, so we want to make sure that the onions are nicely caramelized. So this should give sweetness to our dish. So this is about medium heat. Nothing should be more. It shouldn't be over medium, more than medium heat. So you see all that sizzling? It's because onions also contain a lot of moisture. So all that sizzling is the moisture coming out of the onions. So as the onion begins to cook, most of the moisture evaporates. And then the caramelization process begins. As the onions begin to caramelize, we also want to add in our potatoes. So these are potatoes. I drained the water out. Now, the moment that we add in the potatoes, it cooled down the oil a little bit. So we need to increase the heat, just a slightly bit. Over here, we also have some eggs. So this is about 4 eggs inside. So as the heat in the pan begins to recover, you will see that it begins to sizzle again. So this is what we want to see. Same thing with the onions. Potatoes also contain a lot of liquid. So what we're trying to do is try to evaporate most of the liquid so that the sugars in the potato begins to caramelize, giving this a sweeter flavor. It's one of the easiest dish to make if you know how to make it right. Only 3 ingredients, so egg, potatoes, and onions. See? Now the heat in the pan begins to recover again. And some of you might be wondering why it doesn't splatter even though it has potatoes. That's because the oil is not hot enough for it to start splattering. So it's only medium heat. Alright. We're almost there. Now we start to see the onions begin to caramelize by turning slightly brown. The edges of the potatoes also begins to turn slightly brown. Okay, so we're almost done. I think about maybe 2 or 3 more minutes. Down a little bit. So using a slotted spoon, we get all these out. Try to leave as much oil in the pan or try to leave as much oil out as you possibly can. Okay. Nice and okay. Straight into the egg mixture. Turn off the heat. Make sure that you try to leave out as much oil as you can. Straight to the egg mixture. Careful about the hot oil, make sure that you set it aside properly. Season the potatoes with a little bit of salt. So 5 ingredients all together, including the oil. Then mix it all the way around together with the eggs. Make sure you mix it nice and thoroughly. See the eggs? It's all runny. Okay. So we let this rest for about 15 minutes, covered. Okay. Right. Okay. So now looking at the mixture. It was runny a while ago, but after we rested for about 15 minutes, it's no longer as runny. So this is what we want to achieve. Okay. So right now we're just heating a non-stick pan, and you have to make sure that it's a non-stick pan. Otherwise, the eggs will stick. Okay. So now we're gonna be flipping this over using the plate method. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much oil also, because too much oil, then that means it's gonna leak out later on when we try to flip it using a plate. And the way we do this would be the moment that we put the mixture in the non-stick pan, we want to leave it at high heat for about 1.5 minutes, and then at medium heat for about 2.5 to 3.5 minutes. All right. So now that the pan is hot, put out the excess oil. You just want to have enough oil to coat the pan, and then some. Now we put in the high heat. So now we put in the mixture. Want to spread the potatoes evenly all throughout the sides of the omelette, if it's all concentrated in the middle. Okay. Put the cover on. Right. So now that the eggs have set, you want to shake it up, make sure that it's moving. So make sure that it's going to get off the pan when we flip it over. Plate method, so get a plate, put it nice and tight on the pan. Okay, hold it nicely. Make sure that you don't move. Get it on the edge of the pan and slide it back. Okay, simple. Put the cover back, and same thing, high heat for about 1.5 minutes, and then medium heat at about 2.5 to 3 minutes. All right, so this is the other side. So Now we're all set. Tortilla de patata. Heat spatula and move it over to plate it nicely. Just like that. Right, so tortilla de patata. Then we get a knife and cut through this. Get a knife and cut through this. You would see that. Crispy on the outside, nice and toasty, and really smooth and semi-runny on the inside. So, okay. All right. Bon appetit.